commercial cooperation with EGO.
It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. The moon is shining and the sun is rising there. It's winter time in Finland and I'm starting my working day. Okay, what do we have today? 5 birches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there is so little felling room on the back side. So we are going to fell those on this parking lot. And of course there is some guy or lady who thinks those instructions doesn't touch him or her. Those 2 birches I was going to fell there, but now maybe I can fell them there. I hope so. But anyway, some extra risk and extra work. The residents wanted more room for the spruces to grow and got fed up with the constant raking. Then they called me to help them with the tree removal. It is still minus 14 degrees Celsius. You can actually hear it of how the snow sounds under my boot and see how well the snow can hold my weight. There seems to be a lot of animals around. Are you able to identify the animals from the tracks on the snow? Look at this one. Unbelievable. He's trying to drive straight to the felling section. I hope the bus is not a school bus. I wanted to put the EGO CSX5000 to the test, even though it's very cold weather and quite many trees. Do you think it is a good idea? The neighborhood is quite silent this morning. It's great environment to hear how loud the CSX5000 really is. The first tree is a small front heavy bird. I'm trying to miss the heating box on the left. 2, a near miss. The second tree is a medium and also a front heavy bird. I'll have the tree jack here just in case. No problems there, if there were 2 heating boxes in danger. The third tree is closer to the parked car. Wish me luck not to hit it, or to hit it if you are an evil one. Nice, it went where it was supposed to. The 4th and 5th trees are on the other side of the parked car. I need to move this thing out of the way to clear the new felling sector. let's cut the fourth down. I need to mist now the car and the huge blockhouse. The spruce is so deep with the birds. The whole reason for this tree removal was to revive the spruces, not to damage them. Let's see how the fifth one goes. Oh, the birdhouse. I wonder if there is anyone home. I'm aiming a little bit more to the right. Oh, BMW hope will still remain intact and unharmed. I need to be more precise with it. Nice. I aimed it more right and still didn't hit the blockhouse. It was rotten. One thing that I'm happy about is this performance of the EGO CSX5000. The job lasted around 20 minutes and the freezing cold was hard for the battery. But still the chainsaw was able to cut all the trees down and it has still almost a full charge left in it.
My EGO was working quite well, despite of the frost and snow.
It was a good balance of power and energy consumption. The only warm-up I did was a test that it does work. I had the battery with me in the warm cabin to protect it from the cold during the drive to the site.
Okay, it went quite nice. The car is untouched. The garden light is also, and those heating blocks are still okay. I just have to do the limbing and packing, and we have to take the branches away. The homeowner is taking the stems for firewood. This is how our working area looks like after we have operated. Our car has disappeared. Maybe the owner wake up in the voice of our chainsaw. Okay, next target.